Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by freeing resources, close background apps and overlays so the CPU and GPU can focus on recording. Once done, update both the game and capture drivers. Drivers often fix stutter. Next, open your recorder and switch to 60 FPS and try 1/2 resolution downscale to reduce encoder load. Make sure hardware acceleration is enabled. It offloads work to the GPU. These first steps cut large causes of lag, and they're quick to apply. Once initial fixes are in, focus on the encoder settings. You want hardware encoding, NVENC or AMD VCE, because it processes frames faster than CPU software encoders. Reduce bitrate to a range that your system and upload can sustain. For 1080p, aim 8 to 12 Mbps. For 720p, aim 4 to 6 Mbps. Set the iframe interval to 2 and choose a performance preset for lower latency. Make sure the encoder priority matches your GPU's capability. This balances smooth capture with acceptable quality. You finish by test recording several short metal clips and inspecting them for dropped frames and audio sync. If you still see lag, cap the game FPS to your monitor refresh rate. This reduces rendering spikes. Also try a lower in-game graphics preset to free resources. If problems persist, clear the capture software cache and reinstall the encoder plugin. Sometimes a corrupt file causes hiccups. One key troubleshooting tip. If lag matches CPU/GPU spikes, use a process limiter to identify the culprit, then address that specific app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.